Hello, this is Makayla, and I didn't actually intend to make a vlog on this particular weekend, but then the snow started falling, and as you can see, it was very large snowflakes and very beautiful, kind of like a snow globe, so I decided to do a little bit of a vlog this weekend. It's kind of small, but I just want to show what it looks like when we have a snowstorm here in Maine, what we do. And here's Moose, by the way. And then because it was snowing, I decided to just play some Christmas music and bake a spice cake with eggnog frosting. It was a triple layered cake, and I made some chocolate trees to go on top, which you can see here. I forgot to get a video of it altogether, and I also forgot to get a video of my actual slice, so this is half eaten, but it was very good. And then shortly after dinner, while we were watching The Queen's Gambit, the power went out because the snow was very wet and the wind was just so heavy. So we found all of our candles and lights, and then decided to just do a family game night instead.
Done doing that one. We have this one. And then
Hey Moose, what's going on?
I mean, I can just take something out if you guys aren't sure what you want to do.
What are you thinking?
I would love to play Yahtzee.
He looks like he's, you know, like when cops with their helicopters descend on a criminal. That's what he looks like.
Sports and leisure. What NFL team did Mike Ditka end his playing career with?
The Bears. No. Oh,
Dallas Cowboys.
and his playing career. Oh, I thought you meant his coaching career. Oh.
I would have said the Bears too. I'm gonna try blue.
What has official flowers for its 8 islands as well as a state flower?
Hawaii.
Yeah, good
Good
job.
Yay, I'm so glad I picked blue.
Fortunately, the power did return that evening, but the temperature had already dropped in the house to 61 degrees, so it was freezing. So cold. I'm recording the temperature.
Cool.
Does the space heater feel nice?
Yeah.
Moose, come on up. It was nearing 11 o'clock in the evening when I finally showered and got to bed. I usually read or go on my laptop before bed, but tonight I didn't, just because I was going to bed a little bit later. And then when I woke up, it was still dark out. It looks like we barely got any snow. We got more snow than this, but I think it just blew everywhere by the wind. So it ended up being very little on the ground. But that's okay because it was still very pretty to sit downstairs in the morning with a fireplace going. It's the morning after the snowstorm, and we are going out to the grocery store.
If we can get over the snow.
That's scary. Oh my gosh. Okay. But hopefully there'll be no one else at the grocery store because no one else is insane enough to be going out the morning after. We can't hit the brakes hard
It's
again.
like a heartbeat. Did not miss that.
That is not a sharp halt. Anything.
Pull it out so I can.
getting home from the grocery store, we then watched an episode of The Great British Bake Off, the holiday version.
Talk out loud.
We're now going to get a Christmas tree.
I'm excited.
Because it is December 6th and it's already far too late.
Okay. Hey, Moose, do you want to go for a ride? Do you want to go for a ride? Huh? Do you want to go for a ride?
Mount Ford Road.
As we're coming close, am I? Oh, wait.
Let her. Go ahead.
So I wanted to make English muffins today, and unfortunately the Christmas trees at the place we went to were extremely expensive, so we decided to get one somewhere else. But I was dropped off at home because I wanted to make English muffins, and my mom and stepdad have continued on to buy the tree. Because we're not cutting one down anyway, so I'm okay with being here because I really wanted to make these English muffins before the rest of the night happens. So I'm back home now. I have combined my milk and yeast, so now I'm just going to get an egg and some melted butter. The whole thing is shaking very badly. While I waited for my English muffins to rise, my mom and I put out all the decorations for Christmas around the house. We just have a ton of these little strange but cute little objects that we just place everywhere, and it just makes the house feel very festive. The English muffins just came out okay. They definitely could have been better, but then I also worked on supper. And after supper, we watched Home Alone. As you can see, the tree is now up, but we didn't have lights on it until later in the evening. But we did put lights on it eventually, and it looked very nice sitting there in the corner of the room. So happy holidays, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you also have a fantastic week.